More than 1,500 attacks on Ukraine's healthcare system have been documented since the beginning of Russia's full-scale invasion. These crimes are shocking and appalling, but they are not unprecedented. Since August 2015, over 410 attacks on 270 medical facilities have been documented in Syria. Most of them have indicators of being intentional attacks, according to the Syrian archive. More than half of the cases were likely perpetrated by Syrian and Russian forces. Exploring what she calls Russia's Syrian playbook, Mona Yakubian, vice president of the United States Institute for Peace, says after a strike on Mariupol's maternity hospital in 2022 that the parallels of Russian tactics applied in Syria and Ukraine are chilling. We talked to Dr.Hamza Al-Kateab, a Syrian doctor who ran Al-Quds hospital in eastern Aleppo during the siege in 2016. He believes there is a strategy behind these strikes.
Similar to Mariupol. So why target like a maternity hospital? Because it brings more destruction. Like if you target like a military hospital, it won't really crush the spirits of the military because they're kind of used to it. But target like a pediatric hospital, maternity hospital, it will crush the whole community. And it will plant fear in the whole community.
Working in Al-Quds, Dr. Hamza witnessed Russia's heavy bombing of medical facilities. Together with his wife Waad, they dedicated efforts to documenting war crimes and are still fighting for Russia's accountability.
A Russian aircraft, still there is no investigation about it. Still there is no accountability, even though it happened in April 2016. But like, yeah, we have the evidence of the hole like that was like produced by the missile and the CCTV of the attack. And like it is kind of like known in Syria that only Russian aircrafts fly at night.
However, despite his own efforts and numerous pieces of evidence and journalist investigations, such as the one conducted by the New York Times in 2019, proving Russia committed these war crimes, the UN avoided calling Russia a perpetrator. We asked Dr. Hamza whether he believes Russia will eventually be held accountable.
Like, what I know, it is a long way. And like from my experience, I can't clearly say that, oh, I see the light at the end of the tunnel. But what I'm sure about is like we are in the tunnel and we need to keep walking because if we stopped, we'll just be there forever.
Well, we do not have forever, do we? Today, Dr. Hamza continues to bring awareness to cases of hospital bombings with his Action for Summer initiative. You can find more on Dr. Hamza's story of working under Russian bombardments via our website, UNITED24Media.com, written by Jess Daly.